I didn't even lose internet. The stream just died. No! It died! Oh my god! Hi. Why did the stream have to die? Oh my god, I probably lost fucking half my viewers. Oh.
Hi, Coco. Fancy seeing you here?
Okay.
I knew you'd come to stand before the elder.
Fuck you, Gideon.
Some people are just jerks. But
God damn it!
Millionaire banker Eric Hovde?
I forgot to install the ad blocker thing.
You want your skateboard?
Hi. Oh, whoa.
Go back to hashtag show us your hole. It got
Who's the
cut off.
tornado dog?
I mean, pretty much that was the
Sit.
best part anyway, so don't worry.
Sit. Wait.
My skateboard.
Come on, go. Good boy.
Whoa, was that it?
We struggle to pay the bill.
Oh my god damn it! Oh, I get it. Like a top?
Hey there, partner. Oh, do you know where it is? I know where it is. Yeah, but I need some assurances. Yes. Okay. Wait. Oh. Somebody has it. Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh my god, was that a gun? Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Chat, I'm almost out of water. Here, I have a song while I go fill up my water.
I watched your stream at my mom's one time and she thought you were funny. You might be in, just saying.
What? Huh? What did you say? What a terrible time to do your TTS. What did you say? I watched your stream at my mom's one time and she thought you were funny. You might be in. Oh, fuck yeah.
Over under 6.5 bites to eat this Chipotle burrito.
Is this Ganem?
Weak first bite, I'm gonna have to lock in. Ooh.
Uh-huh. Why am I watching this? Why am I watching this?
Good. I think I got this, as long as it doesn't fall apart. Four. Okay, definitely have it in 6. I bet you I could do it in 5. Changing the line. It's a failure unless I get 5. Right now.
Ganem, this is fucking disgusting.
5.
Wow. Good job. Yippee.
And I hate you! I hate you! I hate you so much!
Okay.
I love exploring so much. Exploring is so much fun.
What?
Oh, it's just a chicken. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Do you want to be a better gamer? My new invention quickly corrects your mistakes. Taking damage in the game gives you a gentle reminder to improve.
That doesn't look gentle.
Aye. Alright. Jesus fucking Christ!
Whoa. Why are we just... What? Am I clipping through the world? What just happened?
Ellie. Oh.
So I went to the beach that makes you old.
Oh my god damn it. Okay.
You went to the what?
The beach that makes you old.
The beach that makes you old?
Yeah, man, the beach that makes you old.
Excuse me?
I gotta tell you about this beach. It made me old.
You have to know that's not possible.
Look at me, man. I'm old as hell. And it's because I went to the beach that makes you old.
There are a million reasons why you might look the way you look. I'm not going to entertain the idea that a beach could make you old.
Wait, actually, I think it's the rocks on the beach, not the beach itself. Something to do with the cliffs?
What are you talking about?
Had to swim through coral to get out.
Stop.
But I'm still old.
Enough. Let's say, hypothetically, that a beach could actually make you old.
The rocks.
The rocks. Let's say the rocks could make you old. How much of you is getting old? Does your metabolism speed up? Do you need to pee more frequently?
Man, listen.
Do your fingernails grow faster?
Man.
Your hair?
I don't know, man. I just got old.
I'm finding it hard to believe. It doesn't hold together logically.
I don't know what to tell you. I wasn't
Drum
old and
spends
now
a lot
I'm
of
old.
time on that
I think it was
beach.
because I went to the beach that makes you old.
This is all pretty ridiculous.
You want to see for yourself?
Sure. Why not?
You can go to the beach if you want. But you'll get old.
I doubt it.
Look at how fucking old I am.
I'm not going to get old.
You will get old.
I won't.
You will.
The beach will not make me old.
Okay, man. But don't say I didn't warn you about getting old. Jamie, pull up the directions to the beach that makes you old.
I'm not going to get old on the beach.
Good luck, man.
So stupid. Ricky.
Gifted sub.
Hey.
Hey. I got old.
Drum thing, you're sub to Marks.
What?
Ah!
I'm gonna go.
It's
I think I met the love of my life. She has big tits.
You did? You did?
Yes,
you did?
she's been licking
You
me
did
all
look at
night.
me. Wait,
She has really big boob and really big ass. Yes.
The one who's been dancing in your face the entire time?
Yes. I think I love her.
You know there's probably a dude, right?
What?
So?
Simply put, it's like it's a lot to spend on. Let's be real here. Free entertainment. I'm free use.
Reverse close guard. Never mind. I got done that pretty well. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Just looking for it.
Is he going to hit it himself?
Double.
There we go.
Double.
Reverse close guard. What are we watching?
Boys.
What are we watching?
What would the
He's got his ass in his face.
It's a tough position.
No.
What are they going to do?
I really hope you didn't like zone in just at this moment.
This isn't the wrong.
And you were trying to convince someone to do jiu-jitsu.
Oh my god, chat, you want to do jujitsu together? Ooh.
Grab his dick and twist it.
Oh, okay. Where do you buy a ghillie suit?
And these nuts.
Fillion, be careful what you say.
Be careful what's under
Some
there.
of what you say is pretty dark.
Be careful what's under there.
Maybe you should be careful what's under there.
Or where? Wait. No. Stop! Stop! No!
What?
Battle. Huh? Battle got banned on Billy. Oh.
Hey, welcome to Joey's.
Yeah, let me get a gyro with fries.
A what?
How much do I owe you?
A gyro?
How much is that in American dollars?
It's a gyro, not gyro.
Pretty sure it's gyro, bro.
It's a
gotta be-
gyro.
You wouldn't say lasagna, would you? The G is silent.
Why put the G at the beginning if it's silent?
It's the Greek pronunciation.
Do I look Greek?
I mean, you kind of look like a Greek statue.
Oh, really? You think?
Yeah.
Do you guys still have the 2-for-1 gyros?
Wait a minute, you can't just add a J.
The G is a J, gyro.
No, the G is a G. Why would the G be a J?
There's no G or J.
Then what is there?
Why?
Why what?
That's how it's pronounced.
Gyro?
Gyro.
Call it gyroscope, not a Euroscope.
Honestly, Bill Nye's got a point.
Who ordered the gyro with fries? It's a gyro.
It's a gyro.
It's a gyro.
It's a gyro.
All right, guys, look. Let's just agree to disagree, okay?
Fine.
Cool.
Whatever, I'm going on a smoke break. Enjoy your Greek sandwich.
Thank you. Oh, wait, you guys forgot to tease that Zyke sauce.
Get out.
The what?
AI can't be horny. If someone drew a really nice pair of tits, it's because they love tits. A computer can't love tits. I want to see the passion behind picking up a pencil and learning how to draw boobs because you love them. If you want to draw a giant cock, if you want to draw a giant bar of titties, there's passion behind that. A computer is never gonna have the passion to draw furry porn the way that furries draw it. That's the human spirit right there. That right there is the human spirit.
Why'd you shout out Kuro? Wait, what? Is Kuro a furry? I knew it.
And I've been quiet for so long.
Police say an intruder broke into a Rochester woman's home late last night.
I'm old, but guess what? I'm tough. That table, and I went to working on him, and guess what? The table broke down. I'm jumping on him.
When officers arrived minutes later, it wasn't Murphy who needed medical attention.
He's laying down already, because I had really did a number.
I'm gonna do that to you,
Western
chat.
Wisconsin family.
Oh my god!
Hi. Sorry to bother you. Are you single? Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this chair. Thank you.
Did you just agree with Broco that androids can't have emotions and be horny?
The current iteration, yes. Oh, that hurts.
吃不吃薯条？
不吃。
小
Wait, what?
吃不吃薯条？
Oh, I thought it said, do you want to eat a furry?
不吃。
小飞过来喽！
你干嘛，哥哥子？
真拿你没办法。
帅哥，帅哥，
哎，不加危险，我上班要迟到了。
小陈，把车给他。
好。
记住，滴水之恩应当涌泉相报。别人借了你纸，你要学会报答别人。
知道了，老师。快上车呀，上班要迟到了，别吃了。
帅哥，你吃的啥呀？
我这是网红金戒卤肉粉，
自带脱水精戒和精戒油，煮好后清香扑鼻，加了精戒的土豆粉，绿油油的，网络又劲道，配上辣熬老母鸡汤，越吃越上头。
哇，好香！我可以吃一口吗？可以啊。
哦！
我靠，死变态！
哇！
哎呦，老公，你这后背这么黏呢？哎呀！
Have you ever tried those? That's actually what happens. You just go like,
Take me to your leader. How you doing?
Dandelion alert, Houston. We have a dandelion.
167. Why do we eat? I feel like I'm so.
Dude. Oh my god. Dude. Oh. I wish. Listen, sometimes eating tastes good, but God, I wish we didn't have to eat.
7 if I had yellow macaroni cheese. With the white cheddar, I feel like an adult. Don't ask me what it's called or who sings it. $500.
Well, it's normally 600.
No, it's not. It's abnormally 600.
That was pretty good.
Better looking than him. How you doing? Milk from Irish grass-fed cows. The cows are Irish? Moo! Ah, moo! I think my second bag of almonds. What if the plane goes down and we go down with a bag of uneaten almonds? Today's FM radio. One song every 14 commercials. Just a guy looking
Oh my god, it's so true.
for a croissant. I just scalded my epiglottis.
What?